In the world of seafood, it's jumbo shrimp. In Hollywood, you've got acting naturally. On AMC, it's The Walking Dead. But in manufacturing, the oxymoron we use is wasteful KPIs. Now, how can a KPI be wasteful? Isn't the very definition of KPI a key performance indicator, a process variable that impacts quality, costs, availability, risk, etc.? How can a variable that is a lead metric to the results we are chasing be wasteful? Well, how can a shrimp be jumbo, and how can the dead walk? Unfortunately, we see wasteful KPIs every day in the plants we visit. KPIs are wasteful when they are collected and recorded, but no corrective action is taken. When the lead metrics aren't verified or interpreted by skilled resources and aren't used to take timely corrective action. In a previous post, we told the story of the CEO that shook his head at his team's lean performance board, stating that if all this data hasn't caused you to change what you are doing or how you are operating your process, it's just window dressing. World-class manufacturers know their KPIs, and the challenge is to identify all the KPIs and then use them to run their business. They don't just track results, they track and act on the lead metrics, the variables that drive their results in order to improve their process and reduce their cost. So where KPIs are the key to process and cost optimization, they can also be a significant source of waste and wasteful activity if they are not used to drive your actions. The goal then is to either start managing your lead metrics to get the results you are after, or stop wasting the time and money required to collect them. Since the key to having the time and resources necessary to focus on your priorities is to stop doing the things that are not bringing value to your plant, I would love to hear what you are planning to no longer do in the comments below. And if there are processes in your plant that are important but not part of your core strategic plan, then give us a shout. I would love to discuss how we can help turn your wasteful KPIs into process optimization. Thank you.